Hello and welcome back to Kernel Outdoors. Just a very short how-to video today on how to add custom data screens to your Garmin watch. So look at the buttons, it says clearly, so we're going to start an activity. I'm going to suggest bike and I want 10 screens if I can. So I'm going to press go, which is the top right button. Middle button is up and the bottom left button is down. So we're going to go to bike settings and we're going to go to data screens, and the start stop button in the top right is a select. And we're going to go down, all the way down. There's the map. Sometimes you get stuck in the map. If you do, you press bottom right, which is back, and then it lets you go down. And we want to add new. And yes, it's custom data because it's what we want. So it's first of all letting you choose the layout. I don't want one thing, I want lots of stuff. I want a lot of information I can look at quickly. So I'm going to go for, oh, there's someone at my front door, and again, back is the bottom right button. So I'm going to go for that field. And we press select, which is the top right, and then it will take you through. It shows you in green which one you want to do. So first one I'm going to do, you can scroll down using the left buttons. The middle one is up, the bottom one is down. And then you select with the top right the start stop. So distance, select lap distance, and then it will go through. Third thing, so think about what you want. For cycling, I'd probably want speed, maybe time of day, temperature, heart rate, and again, it varies if you're hiking, and you can customize these all for different activities. So hiking, you want sunrise, sunset, or sunset maybe, temperature, elevation, time passed. So you can have all sorts of things, dual time. But I'm just setting this up. This is the 8 or 10 fields of data. Some of them are gauges, so they're more animated than just an alphanumeric display, so it can sometimes have a graphical section to it. But again, I'm using the down button. You can swipe, but when doing this I find that it's easier to just use the buttons the old Garmin way. So last one I'm going to put in is the ascent. Always want to know how far you've climbed as a cyclist, so ascent. And then it lets you change. If you need to change the location of any of them, you can just simply scroll up or down and it will change them. But at the minute, because I'm not actually cycling, I'm sat in my office, that is everything there. Time at the top, temperature. Some of them haven't got any data, but there we go. And then back out of it all, and you've still got your original data screens as well as your new one there. So you can scroll through. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe.